Chapter 23. The Search for Sita. Sugriv summoned his Vanaras from far and wide, and they arrived in the thousands, ready to do the bidding of their king. The Monkey King divided the forest people into 4 search parties, each with their own senior leaders, to search in the 4 directions from Kishkinda. He described to each of the parties what they would encounter in their search, and how they should prepare accordingly. Ram was impressed with Sugriv's knowledge of the lands, as the freed Gandhava advised him he would. During Sugriv's exile from Kishkinda, he had travelled extensively and gained vast knowledge of the world. The search party that was assembled for the south had the most trusted commanders: Angad, the son of Vali, the Bear King Jambavan, and the most selfless and loyal of all, Hanuman. The parties were given 1 month, after which they would return to bring news of their outcome. Ram was most hopeful for the party led by Hanuman. He called him aside and gave him a ring inscribed with his name. "When you find Sita, show her this ring, so that she knows you were sent by me." Hanuman's devotion and determination burned deep. "I will not rest until I find her." A month passed, and the search parties from the north, west, and east returned, weary and empty-handed. However, the party led by Hanuman pressed on, crossing forests, mountains, and rivers, questioning every creature they encountered. Finally, they reached the edge of the southern sea. Before them stretched only endless waves and the distant, empty horizon. Exhausted and disheartened, the Vanaras sat silently on the shore, all except Hanuman, who continued to scan the horizon. Angad spoke first, his voice heavy with defeat. "The month has passed, and we failed. We must return to Kishkinda." But then, just as all hope seemed lost, an aged vulture descended from the sky. It was Sampati, brother of the great Jatayu. Sampati had overheard the search party's talk of Jatayu's sacrifice. Upon learning of his brother's fate, Sampati shed tears of both sorrow and pride. He shared what he had seen with his far-reaching eyes. "From this very shore," Sampati said, "I watched as Ravana, the demon king, flew across the skies, carrying a sorrowful, weeping princess. He took her across the sea to the golden city of Lanka." The members of the search party looked to the horizon. According to Sampati, Lanka was over 800 miles away. How could they possibly reach the princess? Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.